Hey everybody, welcome back. Day 29, vlog every day in April. It's Steve. Today I'm going to teach you quickly what is and how to use Steady Shot on your Sony ZV-E10 camera. So I have my Sony ZV-E10 right here. Hopefully you have your ZV-E10 with you right next to you. And now I will show you what it is and how to use it. So let's get into the settings. Now that we're in the settings, what you need to do is go to tab number 2, page number 3. And right here on the bottom, you will see Steady Shot and Steady Shot settings. We're not going to get into the settings today because that's more advanced. We're just going to get into Steady Shot and how to use it. So what is Steady Shot? It is an option where when you're shooting video, it will stabilize your image so it doesn't look like your image is shaking. Right now, Steady Shot is set to off, so we'll take a look at what that looks like. And here it is, holding it with one hand, Steady Shot off. And you can see it's shaking a little bit. I have actually a pretty good steady hand. You'd want to use the setting off when you have your Sony ZV-E10 on a tripod, because you don't need a steady cam because your tripod is holding it. So this right here is off with me holding it in my hand, and you can see it's shaking a little bit. Now we'll go into the setting. And we'll go to standard. Standard is suitable for steady movie shooting. The shot image is the full angle view of the lens, so it's not cropped. So it should give you the same full angle with a little bit of steady help. So we'll put standard, and now we'll see what it would look like. I'm holding it. And as you can see, it's moving a little, but it's not jittery. It looks a little bit more smooth, I would say. So I think this would be a good option if you were doing selfie mode and kind of doing a handheld video. Now the biggest Steady Shot option is active. And now this one says it enables a stronger steady shot when shooting movies. The image is narrower than the full angle of the view of the lens, which basically means your image is going to be cropped because it's going to do a really good job of stabilization. So we'll turn to active. And now you can see, you may notice that it's zoomed in more and it's really smooth, no jumping. But can you see it kind of trails? You see how smooth it kind of trails off when I stop the camera? Go down, it trails, stops, up, trail, stop. So it's almost like you're using a gimbal. And this is great if you're shooting video outside and you're moving around a lot. The camera won't be jumping back and forth. But remember, it will have a crop to it. So those are your options in the Sony ZV-E10. You could have Steady Shot off, which is just that. There is no stabilization. This is perfect for when you're using it on a tripod. You have standard. This is just a tiny amount of Steady Shot. I would think I would use this if I was working in selfie mode, where I'm not moving around a lot and I don't need that much stabilization. And then of course there's active, which kind of gives the camera the effect that it's on a gimbal, but it will crop the image a bit. So I would probably use this outdoors if I was moving around a lot and I didn't want to have my camera shaking. And there you have it. That is what Steady Shot is, and that is how you use Steady Shot on your Sony ZV-E10 camera. If I wasn't clear, please just leave a question in the comments below. I will definitely answer you, and if need be, I'll record a new video. If there are any other Sony ZV-E10 features that you'd like me to kind of report on or review or teach you how to use, let me know below too. Please continue to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching day 29. Tomorrow is day 30, the last day of Vlog Every Day in April. We kind of made it. I know I missed 2 days, but I wanted to finish up strong, so I will see you tomorrow on day 30, the final day of Vlog Every Day in April. Peace, guys.